Welcome to Enigma Guitar Workshop. Today we're going to analyze how you can easily stabilize and retune your Floyd Rose type guitar tremolo. You must watch this video carefully from the beginning to the end without skipping any of its sessions so you can have a full understanding of the procedure. This type of tremolo must always be parallel to the top of your guitar. If it isn't, you must make sure you adjust it properly. First, let's see what we must do if the tremolo is upwards. You must make a tapered wooden shim so that the middle part of it can fill the space between the back of the tremolo block and the body of your guitar. If you cannot make one, you can go to a hardware store and buy a door wedge and cut it in the desired dimension. Hold the tremolo bar and flip the guitar over. You must be able to control the tremolo block in that reverse position. Now put the wooden shim between them. You can now adjust the base of the tremolo to be in parallel with the body of the guitar. As the wooden shim is tapered, you can experiment on how much you're going to dive it inside until you force the tremolo to be parallel. Unlock the locking nut. Set the fine adjustment tuning screws of your tremolo in the middle of their way. Strings 5 and 6 must be a little lower. Tune your guitar using the headstock tuners. Your tremolo is now blocked and can't move. You can now easily tune the guitar since the tremolo is stable. Lock the locking nut. Tune again the guitar, adjusting any minor detunes by using the fine adjustment screws of your tremolo. Take the wooden shim out. You will see the tremolo block jump back. Tighten the two tremolo anchor screws equally until the guitar goes back in tune. If the guitar goes sharp, unscrew them a bit until you find the best tuning position. Use the fine adjustment screws for any imperfections. Now your guitar tremolo is parallel and in tune. Now let's see what you have to do if your tremolo dives backwards. Unscrew the two tremolo anchor screws equally. Tune the guitar headstock tuner sharp. Repeat the same steps until the tremolo is upwards. Then do the procedure described earlier in this video. In order for your tremolo to be stable in your everyday routine, do as follows. First, check all the strings in your tuner. If 3 or less of them are slightly out of tune, use your fine tremolo adjustment screws to tune them. If one of these screws has gone to the end of the way, unlock your locking nut and reset the fine adjustment screw to the middle of its way. Tune your guitar using the headstock tuners. Lock again your locking nut and repeat the fine tuning. You must always keep in mind that fine adjustment screws are only used for minor detuning. If 4 or more of your strings are out of tune, then adjust properly the two tremolo anchor screws instead. Tighten them up if your guitar is flat, or loosen them if your guitar is sharp. Use the fine adjustment screws for any slight imperfections following the previously described procedure.